Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: enough battery and access to the account or tools that will let you remove the lock. Once done, try the fastest method first, Google or Samsung Find My Device, because they erase the lock remotely without rooting. If you can sign in, choose Secure Device or Erase Device, then follow on-screen prompts. If you cannot access accounts, make sure to prepare a PC with ADB and USB debugging options, which are needed for the manual approach. Now continue with the mid-stage options, depending on what you can access. If a third-party app caused the lock, boot to safe mode and uninstall it to restore access. If you have no account access, reboot into recovery mode and perform a factory reset. This removes the pattern but deletes data. Alternatively, if USB debugging was enabled, connect to a PC and run the ADB command to remove the gesture file. This often restores access without a full reset. Make sure you follow each command precisely. To finish, reboot and immediately set a new screen lock or restore your backup to preserve data. If factory reset protection activates, you must sign in with the original Google or Samsung account. This is why account credentials are critical. If you remove the pattern via ADB but face boot issues, clear cache in recovery and try again. If none of these steps work, stop and contact the device maker or an authorized service. Continued tampering can brick the device or void warranty, so seek professional help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.